I finally got the K&N Snorkel installed. This is one of those items that I've been anticipating on installing on my 24 Tacoma for a while now. A snorkel has a lot of benefits. We're going to talk about a couple benefits this one has over other brands, and I'll show another brand a little bit later in the video. But first, let's talk about the styling, because the 24 and newer Tacoma, the body of it, the styling that they use is very aggressive. The bulge and the body lines matches the snorkel very well. So they designed this entire snorkel around the 24 and newer Tacoma. So you can see here, it's very sleek. It has these very aggressive lines. I really like what they did right here. It just makes it look aesthetically pleasing. And the snorkel head, you can still rotate around. So if you're worried about getting water in the front of it, whether it's pouring rain or snowing, you can flip that around and still be fully functional. Now let's talk about why we did this. So benefit number one, you get fresher air from up here. So let's say you're in a state where it's super dusty like it is here, and you're following somebody and the dust is just kicking up. Instead of being sucked up in the front where your normal stock factory air intake is pulling air from, and in here as well, you get fresh air from all the way up here. So you're sucking in a lot cleaner air. And then benefit number two is if you are in a state where there's a lot of water crossing and you don't want to hydrolock your engine, moving the air from down low all the way up to up here is going to significantly improve your intake and preventing you from sucking water into your engine. Now let's talk about compatibility. So being that this is a K&N Snorkel, you can run this with both the factory airbox and the K&N air intake as well. And the reason why you would want to run the K&N air intake is so you can have more power. We did a whole separate video on this intake. We put it on the dyno, and it actually produced a lot more power than K&N actually states. I think we got a little bit more than 20 extra horsepower with this guy alone. So that's why you would want to run this. Where other snorkels, you would actually have to go back to a factory airbox, or you're forced to run the factory airbox to begin with. Then you really get that extra benefit of having another intake. And the snorkel is actually super easy to install. It comes with all the templates you need. It comes with a hard tube that is actually inside the fender versus a rubberized one, which is actually harder to install. So everything that comes in this kit was super easy. The cutout is a regular circular saw. You don't have to make some weird oval shape. So using a circular saw is super easy to cut that out. Everything lined up perfectly. There's this mount right up here for your pillar that requires you to remove this windshield trim. So that part right there doesn't require you to drill and put a rivet in here, whereas other snorkel brands actually makes you rivet into your pillar. So that's another benefit there. And then this piece right down here, this rubberized piece converts your K&N intake from sucking air from up here to fully sealing it, turning this into a fully sealed intake system. So none of the air is being pulled anywhere else except from up there. This here is another brand of snorkel on a 3rd gen Tacoma. And you can see here, it's round, it's pretty bulky, it sticks out quite a bit from the actual fender itself. And in my opinion, it doesn't really follow the body lines of the Tacoma at all. And this is one of those brands that you will have to rivet into your pillar and secure this part. So that's another thing that I don't like about this one. That's going to be pretty much it for this video. I will have a link to both the snorkel and the intake for the 24 and newer Tacoma down in the description. If you guys are new here, subscribe to the channel. Let us know what you guys want to see. We'll see you guys next time.